Hi everybody, have a good day. I hope that you have seen a previous video, English vocabulary. If you learn each and every new vocabulary daily, it will be very good sign for to improve your language. I hope last video you people will get some benefit on that. So before I start that class, I'm like to go with a quote which is to be inspired to everyone. Do you know what is the foreign accent is? It is sign of bravery. Yes, you want to improve anything, you want to be bravely to do what you are practice. You should not be go backward if anyone was criticism on that. So before I'm going to the class, please subscribe this channel to give the boost and support from your side, and we will so hope you will do that, and we can go now the class now.
Patriarch.
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 Patriarch it's mean the the male head of the family and tribe. The head of the family. If someone was who is the head of the family, for that person we will tell as
Patriarch.
patriarch. So in Tamil, what is meant by patriarch is kulapadi. It means the head of the family. Next, we will see the word
Expel.
expelled.
Expel.
Expelled. Expelled is nothing but it's a meaning of official making leave a school or other organization. If someone was leaving the organization or leaving the school or when anything from any official or thing, we will use the word expel. In Tamil, it's Veliyetrapatar. So something which we are going, someone was forcibly was sending out from that place. That is a expelled. So next word is
usurp, usurp,
usurp, taking illegally or by forced. It means that someone was using a position in illegal manner. That is usurp.
usurp,
Usurp
usurp,
in Tamil, abagarika. So someone was forcibly taking something from you. That is a usurp. Next is
Cadre. Cadre.
cadre. A small group of people was specially trained for a particular purpose. So you can tell, you can use this word in that scenario, like if you're telling this person is professional or this person is trained for something else. Yeah, that times you can use
Cadre.
this vocabulary as cadre. So in noun, it's coming. You can use this actually.
Cadre.
See the meaning of cadre is a small group of people specially trained for the particular purpose or professional, or you can tell that they are group of activities in community or other revolutionary organization. So some group of the people it's doing something that is that meaning that things is meaning is a
Cadre.
cadre. So next we are today seeing the words is for cadre in Tamil it's a paninilai. Paninilai. So relentless,
Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless. Relentless.
relentless. So it's unseen instant, which is not expected actually. That is a unseen thing. That is see, relentless is இரக்கமற்ற, ash ash are inflexible. The person who is not flexible with anything, yeah, that it's come under the relentless. So you can see,
relentless, relentless,
so you can see the pronunciation correctly. Relentless.
relentless,
Relentless heat of desert. That is, it's heat that in desert you can't able to uh, be there actually. It is very harsh and it is not flexible to people to live there. For that you can use this vocabulary. So next is grain.
grind, grind,
It's just reduce it into the small piece or powder to crash it. Grain means it's crash. It's crashing into the powder. So the grains some black pepper over the salad. Okay, grain means the some black pepper over the salads. They were powder the black pepper and over the salad. That is things is that is the meaning of the grain, and in Tamil arai, and another word is
omniscient, omniscient,
omniscient. Omniscient, it's a word. It's a word. Its meaning of this word is knowing everything. Knowing everything. If someone was knowing everything, yeah,
omniscient,
you can use this omniscient. Omniscient, we can say knowing everything, or the person is there for everywhere. So for that and all, you can see you can use this
omniscient,
omniscient. Omniscient.
omniscient,
Then in Tamil, it's that yengum, yengum. And next word is
persist,
persist.
persist,
Persist.
persist,
Continuous in an option or course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. So persist is a in Tamil we can have தொடர்ந்து. So the same thing if you see the meaning of this in English, you can see the opposition or a course of action in spite of difficulties. That is, you are doing some continuously, you are fighting to get something, uh, that continuous actions, that is called persist.
persist,
Persist.
persist,
The word of this persist where we can use is the minority of the driver who persist in drinking. So persist in drinking means continuous is drinking. That is a minority of driver. Ma- Minority of driver. Okay. So which action is carrying going on, that thing that time. For that we can use persist. Persist is a act is a it's a meaning of
persist,
continuing action, continuous of action. Okay, so now we will go with other word.
wail,
Wail.
wail,
Wail, the prolonged high pitched cry of pain, grief, or anger. Who is it's a wail, it's a word of emotion, it is telling the emotion. So if you have pitch crying, high pitching of crying of pain, then it is replaced that wail. Wail is replacing
wail,
replace that actually. In Tamil we can see ஓலமிட்டு கொண்டு கொள்ளும். It means the wail is a resemble of where who is crying in high pitch. Actually, it's a pain. They are crying high pitch means that that situations is you can resemble and we can use as wail. And now
Pervasiveness. Pervasiveness.
pervasive
Pervasiveness.
pervasiveness. The quality of spreading wide or present throughout an area or group of people. So it's the meaning of the pervasiveness is the quality of spreading the wide or being the present throughout the area or group of people. If some group of people is there and they're doing something against uh, law, or they are doing illegal things with which is forcefully to do something they're doing is that group, we can tell as pervasiveness. So
Pervasiveness.
so that is a meaning, or that is a meaning of preciousness. And in Tamil, we can tell it Adavadithanam. So which is Adavadithanam means which they are doing rudely and forcefully to do something illegally. So hopefully that today the words vocabulary words what we have used, it will be useful for you in if in daily improvement of your language. So kindly suggest and or put your comments in comment box so that it will be helpful for us. And thank you for watching this video. We will come with another set of words and we'll find the meaning of that. If anything we need to improve from our side, please let me know. We will pressure to improve ourselves. Okay, thank you, and thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.